guys, today we're playing Garden of Banban. I know it's a long time since Garden of Banban 1 came out, but let's just skip this part. Okay, we're here now, and let's see, I forgot all about this game. Let me just stop yapping and play the game. For a parent looking for their missing child, this time is a dedicated matter. Click clock to advance time. Skip. Okay, we're here. Drag controls for movement. Alright guys, let's see. Get the control. I need 2 batteries, yeah. Alright guys, so here's the other one. How did I not see it? Joan is here? Let's call it. Look, Joan is here. Alright. There. Go over there. First, oh. Why can I not go in? Wait, what? Oh, did I hurt? Oh, I forgot. Let's see. Oh, Opila bird, I'm not scared of you. Oh yeah, just to tell you, I'm playing Garden of Banban 0 in the next video, so let's just do what the game says. Find eggs to feed Opila bird. I know there is a secret egg, but I might not find it because I forgot where it is. How many eggs? 6. So I got 1, we just need 5 or more. Is there one down the slide? Yeah, I remember there was one down the slide last time I played the game, but I didn't. Yeah, wasn't there one down the slide? They do this. Why is my drone not going? Isn't my drone here? I'm gonna call it. I don't see it. Where's my drone? Let me just look for it, guys. Let me pause the video. Okay guys, I found the drone. Wait, did I pause it? I didn't pause it. Oh, sorry for that, guys. Well, let's just do this. And yeah, I also found an egg right here. Let me just go for it. I kinda not get it. I'm trying to get it. Bruh. Alright, we're here. So right now we have 2 eggs. Here's another one. Here's one. Here's another one. Press this button. Here's another egg. Tell the drone to go to this button. Come on, drone. Then comes this egg. Grab it. Give all the eggs to opila bird. Alright guys, this is getting kind of long. That's it. Here comes the card. Let's get it. And now let's go over here where we're supposed to go. You don't see it, I'll draw it out. Alright, we're supposed to go to that room. This room. Press this. Call the drone. Make the drone hit this. Well, I mean this. It has to break this. Bring it here. It breaks the glass. We'll have to call it again. Boss. Why does it always take so long though? We got the hammer. I always wondered why these chairs move like this. Look, like I did it once and one of them went flying out of the way. Look. See, that's what I mean with the red one. Alright guys. Boom. Let's break this. Boom. Bust. Let's go. Alright. Wait, let me get the secret egg. Okay, I forgot what the secret egg was. So come on, let's go. Let's get on. Why is it not jumping? Oh, here we go. I forgot how to do this. Come on, there we go. Let's pause because this is too slow. Ban Ban red. Bambolino white. Alright. Now Opila bird pink. Captain Fiddle's blue. I completed the puzzle. Oh no, Opila bird is coming. What do I use the key card for? Get the drone, get the drone, get the drone! Hurry! Opila! Oh man, oh man, oh man. Drone, hurry, hurry, hurry. Drone, hurry up. Oh no, no. Drone, hurry, hurry, hurry. No, 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 don't do it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on, hurry, hurry. No. Okay guys, we can't mess this up. Even though this was the first game. Alright, let's do this part. What? That's not fair. Okay guys, let's do this part again. Why is it lagging though? Well, you're just gonna stay there trying to scare me? Nah. What? Alright guys, let's do this again. The drone here? Yeah, good. When it said go get that, buddy. No, you're not gonna get me this time. No, this is the one. This is the one. Come on. Come on, we got this. Go. Joan, hurry up, bro. There you go. Yeah. Forgot what to do here. Over here, what do you have to do? You do this little jump. Go over here. What do you do? No, bro. Hey guys, come on. We got this. This one is the one. Joan is here. Come on. We can't mess this up again. Come on, guys. Take a deep breath. Come on. Get it. Come on. This is the one. I'm not dying this time. Come on. Come on, this is the one. I ain't dying again. I ain't dying again. I ain't dying again. I ain't dying again. Move! Come on, come on. Get what? I literally pressed the button. This is the one, guys. We're gonna do this without opila bird catching me again. We got this. Opila bird, you're gonna die. Come on. Come on. I'm scared of you. You think I'm scared of you? I ain't scared of you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Put the button. Go. 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 Hurry. Hurry, bro. Go. 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 Why is it not going? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. We got this. We got this. Not this time. Move. Move. This thing. Did I make it? Ha ha. That's what you get. Come on, guys. After 1,000 years, bro, we finally made it. Come on. Remember, guys, next video I'm playing Garden of Bam 0. Go over here. There's a button here. Yeah. I'm kind of remembering the game. Alright, guys. Let me just pause the video to not waste time. I forgot. Why is it not paused? Alright, guys. I pressed the button right there. Let's wait. What's happening? Forgot to press this button, so boom. Guys, let's go. Wait, why is it lagging? Because of this dumb chair. Alright, guys, come on. I completely forgot this had to go first. Then I could go down. Alright, guys, come on. Alright, guys. Ooh, this is where Jumbo Josh comes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still hearing him. The alarm is going on now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't see you. What's up, buddy? Wait, no. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.